Understanding, have a disagreement, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase in the English language, have a disagreement. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding its nuances can really help you navigate conversations more effectively. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clarify its usage. Have a disagreement refers to a situation where two or more people have different opinions, views, or ideas about a particular subject and they express this difference. It's important to note that having a disagreement does not necessarily mean that the conversation is hostile or angry. It simply means there's a lack of consensus or alignment on a topic. Using have a disagreement in a sentence is quite straightforward. It can be used to describe a past event, a current situation, or a hypothetical scenario where people do not agree on something. Here are a few examples. My friend and I had a disagreement about the best approach to learning English. If we have a disagreement, it's important to discuss it calmly and respectfully. They often have disagreements about where to go on vacation, but they always find a compromise. The context in which you have a disagreement can greatly affect how it's perceived and resolved. In professional settings, disagreements might be more formal and require specific processes to resolve. In personal relationships, however, resolving disagreements often involves understanding and empathy. Recognizing the context can help in navigating disagreements more effectively. Having a disagreement can be a healthy part of communication if handled properly. Here are some tips. Listen actively to the other person's perspective. Express your own views clearly and respectfully. Seek common ground or a compromise where possible. Remember, it's okay to agree to disagree on some issues. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, have a disagreement, and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Understanding and navigating disagreements is a vital communication skill that can help you build stronger relationships and collaborate more effectively. Remember, it's not about avoiding disagreements but handling them constructively. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to our next English language adventure together.